Here we have our Excel data in words, and we need to put any of our words into numbers. So if we're dealing with gender, I'm going to click on it, hit Control H, type in the word female, and replace that with a 1. Then type in the word male and replace it with a 2. If we're dealing with our personality data, I'm going to come over here and I have 2 scores right here for my conscientiousness, and I want to recode those also into numbers. So I'm going to do Control H, and if the word is strongly disagree, it's going to become a 1. We actually only had 1. If the word is disagree, it's going to become a 2. If the word was neutral, it's going to become a 3. If the word was agree, it's going to become a 4. If the word was strongly agree, it's been shifted to strongly 4. So I'm just going to take that word agree, make it a 4 because the previous one changed it, and then that one becomes my 5. And that's our data in numbers.